Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Ayaz. I will continue the topic for grade 8 science. The topic is food and digestion and the learning outcomes are from the book International Lower Secondary Science Book 3 published by Marshall Cavendish Education. The learning outcomes same, that is to identify food which is rich in particular nutrients. In this lesson, I will talk about fiber and water. Fiber is required in right amount in our diet. It is required in right amount in our diet so that our intestine work properly, so that our intestine work properly and remain healthy. So you can say that fiber is required for the good health of your intestine. Fiber leave our body in the form of solid waste called feces. Absence of fiber in our diet can lead to constipation. Sources include fruits, vegetables, brown rice, etc. The last mineral is water. Water does not provide us with energy. It does not provide any energy. Water makes up about 70% of body mass. 70% of our body mass. Water is required for different life processes and chemical reactions in our bodies, such as breathing, excretion, transport of nutrients, and sweating. Water is the main constituent of blood and cells. Water is the main Different of blood and cells. We lose water daily during breathing, urine, and sweating. 2 to 3 liters of water is compulsory. 2 to 3 liters of water is compulsory for an average person. Sources include juicy fruits and vegetables. Next two slides, you see the sources of fiber and water. You see vegetables, fruits. You even have grams, pulses. These are the sources of fiber and water. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.